Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to work on our Lexus SC400 project car. We have to fix a fender, prep this thing for paint. So what we're going to do is remove a few pieces. We're going to take our fender off, get ready to repair that. Then we're going to go ahead and take our headlights out and we're going to remove the bumper and start prepping that for paint. It's pretty wore out. Should have pretty good grasp on how to remove these pieces after the end of this video. We got a lot of stuff to do, so let's get to it.
Yo, what's up guys? This little sucker. We're gonna work on the project SC400. I was hoping to have it in paint a lot sooner. And project just got on hold. We have been having too much fun at Disney World, cruise, Bahama.
I owned on a cruise yesterday.
Anyways, and we had ordered some wheels a while ago. They've been on back order forever. There's still no ETA. I hit up Fitment Industries because that's where we got them from. Just gonna switch them out for some different wheels that I like. Yeah. So in preparation for the new wheels that are coming in, hopefully they'll be here within the next couple of weeks. We actually need to make this car look respectable. So to do that, our headlights need cleaned up because they're terrible. I started polishing them. They'll polish up nicely. This bumper needs painted. Our hood needs painted. I've already, since we lowered it, jacked up our fender here. It rubs on the caved in. So we're actually gonna pull this fender off and start to repair it today. Pull the bumper off, prep it for paint. Then we'll paint the bumper, that fender off the car. We'll paint the hood on the car. That's not gonna happen today. Well, I'll probably just end up repainting most of this car and have it look good. Hopefully we'll do that in the next couple weeks.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are better days. Me, I'm looking in the mirror, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think the most get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, sit here, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Every night, every day,
You're not hitting it crazy. Come on.
That's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in the Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well,
not quite yet, baby.
How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. So try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it'll show you what you want. Living life every day.
Sure did, huh?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a life come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that I need are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility.
Alright boys, here's our bumper. Actually I think it's gonna be really satisfying to punch this out from the other side. Boom. Punch that out and get it back into shape. We'll see how it goes, see how we can do. We have our helper, Claire Bear. It's dry. Thanks for helping, Claire. Was it fun?
Yes!
All right, now we gotta figure out. I'm gonna take the bumper off now.
Yay! Can I do it?
Of course you can do it.
I want to hold it.
All right, we're gonna take this bumper off. Let's figure out how to do it. Woohoo!
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
What's up, baby girl? All right, you want to put these in that?
Yeah.
All right. Yep.
Take my eyes open to reality. Why can't you just let me my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinny and
Put these in the same spot too. Okay?
sometimes I can't lift my body.
Oh, that one's destroyed.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so
You know
bright,
where
it's
Here.
hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate down. I wanna taste consumption. Get faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
All right, boys, there you go. We did it. We got the bumper and the fender all off. I'm actually debating if I'm going to take this fender off and just paint it at the same time as the other one.
At the same time.
Same time, same time. Might just be easier to paint them both at the same time, but I don't know. We'll get
At
there.
the same time.
We'll get those headlights refinished. We'll get the bumper painted. We'll get that fender fixed and fender painted. I'm going to start putting this back together. And you know, when we got to do all this, get to clean it all up because there is like 30 years of grime underneath here. And any potential problems, fix those. Replace some light bulbs too, update everything. That's it. That's all I got. We're going to clean this up. I'll check you on the next one. We're either going to make some money or work on a project car, or probably both. Peace.
All right, thank you to our YouTube members and supporters over on Patreon. You want to get on the cool kid list? Head over to YouTube memberships or to Patreon. Own your time, free yourself. Check me out on all the other social medias at Bill Veery. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Enjoy a little sneak peek of a video that I do have coming up later. I'll see you over there. Peace.
Ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.